Okay, it's gonna be a good video, guys, by the looks of this packaging, and I'm about to show you guys. If you're interested in what I got at Spirit Halloween, then keep on watching. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be unbagging this bag. Okay, Wendy, but what else? Okay, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. So I haven't been able to go to Spirit Halloween in person. I do not have a carro, it's okay. And I moved away, and the city that I used to live in did not have a fucking Spirit Halloween for 11 fucking years. But the moment I left, literally Spirit Halloween and another Halloween store came through. It's like y'all bitches want to see me not win. But anyways, the companies are not bitches. If you guys want to send me something and sponsor me, that'd be amazing to make up for it. Okay, so we're gonna get to opening this bag. I am gonna split this video into two videos, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Okay, I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Why am I treating this like a freaking little kid show? Are you guys ready? Yes, yes. Okay, drum roll. Okay, so I'm gonna split this video into two videos. Do not get mad. I got two items. So you want to see the next video. If you want to see the next item that I got, stay tuned for the next video. I did that to y'all. Yes. Okay. So here's the bag. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my first look. You guys are gonna get the first look. You guys are special. Y'all should be thankful. Okay, so you guys are gonna get the first look. Y'all are special, and I'm so excited. This bag has been sitting on my freaking floor for like hours. I'm scared. I do not want to pull a tag away. I am struggling, muggling. Wait, I kind of have to see, guys. I can't. Oh, I can't. Let me see if I can do this. Okay. First mask. Bam. Is it cool? Is it great? Ooh, I feel the shroud. Does it smell? It don't smell. It smells like, you know, when you go to the stores that are brand new, that's what it smells like. Very spirit Halloween taking. Or very fitting for a Spirit Halloween store. So now I'm gonna take the first look. Oh my God! Whoa. One of my first purchases is the Ghostface Bling mask, the pink one. Spirit Halloween took the idea of all the girlies that spend endless hours to bedazzling their mask. I am not gonna take all those fucking hours. Annoying me, the glue would get stuck with the pincitas and then my fingers. But this is perfection, guys. This is totally my whole this is totally like my doing. I bedazzled every inch of rhinestone onto this mask. But honestly, bitch, this is amazing. So the mask does retail for $24.99 on Spirit Halloween. On Depop and Mercari, it does retail for $200 because, you know, resellers. But at Spirit Halloween, you can only get this at $24.99, and for the price, $25 is amazing for this. For all those girlies in the hobby, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear this. And for collectors, this is such a cool fucking collection. This is so fucking manly. It's a manly color. Pink was originally a guy color, okay, guys? So don't put the ego to the side. This mask is fucking cool. Those girlies, it's no longer brat summer. It's spooky gold fall. It's spooky bitch fall. And this concludes it. But this is so freaking amazing, guys. Look at, oh my gosh. Hold on, let me change the lighting. Let me change, oh no, that's ugly. That's ugly. Let me change it. How do I change it? Mijo, ¿cómo lo cambio? I'm such a boomer, guys. I'm such a boomer. Oh, there you go. So look at this. Would you look at it? Okay, let me unsnatch its hair. I low-key need to buy another one to untag it, but I'm starting to become one of those collectors that does not want to untag anything. But here's without its bang, Ghostface by Yang. Okay, so guys, at the end of the video, I am gonna do some close-ups so you guys can see every inch and detail of the beauty of this mask. This is the tag. It came with scratches. I'm gonna have to, do you see the scratches? You could, oh, the line, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I do not have like $300 worth of equipment. It's okay, because I'm still popping. What's up? Okay, so I wish it smelled like vanilla, bitch. Okay, so the shroud. I forgot the name. I'm not a real Ghostface collector. Actually, I'm not a fucking nerd that has the fucking memory of a Steve Irwin. You know what? I don't have the fucking memory of Einstein, okay? So I'm not gonna remember everything. I don't remember the name of this fabric, and I will put it on the screen once I do. But overall, it's really nice. It's like a nice quality shroud hood. So I did forget to mention how I love how they even rhinestone underneath the chin, the sides, and honestly I do believe this is like a black based mask and they just glued everything. It is so gorgeous with the way everything looks like. Here are some up closes. If you don't care about the tag being flawed, then this is perfect. There is some glue flaws as you guys can see, but for $25 I can't really complain. And here is more up closes where you can see the flaws for itself, but once again you're paying $25, not $2,500. But anyways, this is really cute. You can see the lyrics fabric up close, such an affordable sparkly fabric. Here's the back of the tag. Once again, it did came damaged, so if you're one of those collectors that is nitty gritty and wants the perfect tag, then go in person to buy the mask. Not to sound rude, but yeah. But all over the mask, I feel like this is just a black base canvas mask and they just glued on the rhinestones. But there's a sponge so your big ass 5 head doesn't get concussed, or or so it can protect your big ass head from being uncomfortable. Sorry, I'm the one with the big ass head, not you guys. I don't know why I'm so aggressive in this video. I'm just so excited. But I don't know. It's all jokes. It's all jokes, guys. For all I know, you guys have little tiny little itty bitty cutesy foreheads. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let me put this on. I'm feeling a little bit sparkly, little bro. Am I feeling cute? Oh, the flaps. Oh, sorry, what you say? But yeah, this is it. Does it look cute? I can't see the camera. Let me spin. This is the back. Can you see my hair clip? Cute. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all liked today's video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm bugging y'all. That'd be great. The response to the videos I have posted lately have been doing well, so I am very thankful for that. Without you guys, I would not be here. Yeah, guys, I'm just a girl in the hobby. I'm just giving the feedback like if I were a viewer. I do like collecting these Ghostface masks. If you guys have seen my collection, I just have a hyper fixation on obsessing over things. And yeah, it's healthy. It's not crack, but okay, so at the end of the video, I am gonna be filming some up. So at the end of the video, I am gonna be, yeah, there's some glue sticking out. Wait, there's some glue in the eyes. Hold on. But yeah, there's some glue in the eyes. Fuck. I'm gonna have to do, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys